This is a Rubik's Cube, and it absolutely drives me mad that I can't solve it. At first glance, it seems like a childish, meaningless, impossible puzzle. And having a thought that something is impossible really pisses me off.
Okay, so in a weird way, this Rubik's Cube has paralleled almost every single problem in my life. The issue is, I keep telling myself that one day I'm gonna solve this, but I just put it on the back burner. And honestly, I'm sick and tired of me just doing this with everything. So in a weird way, this symbolizes me just taking one step to just starting the problem. So starting right now, 2 o'clock, I'm going to set aside 5 hours. And maybe this is overestimating, but I just want to give myself a block of time where I'm going to sit down and just do this. I have to figure this cube out. And if I don't, well, I'm throwing this out. I'm never going to touch a Rubik's Cube ever again in my life. I'm never going to let this thing just sit around and just bug me being incomplete. I'm going to start from square one and pretend like I don't know how to solve at least 2 layers of this thing. And I'm just going to scramble it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
I finally got it. Literally exactly an hour in, so I figured out I solved it. But I'm not satisfied yet because there's no way I can pick this up and do this without following step-by-step tutorial, I guess. So the next thing I guess I have to do is memorize my last layer of algorithms. And once I do that, then I will be satisfied in saying that I have successfully can solve a Rubik's Cube. But until then, it is not done. The job is not complete.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.